Hi guys! Today, I show you how on UTP cable to RG45 straight through crossover cable installation. But before that, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the tools and materials that we need. Ethernet cable, 4 pieces of RG45, crimper, and also the most important, the LAN tester. Unskin the both end of UTP cable. Na-unskin the other end. We're done unskinning the UTP cable. We're going to arrange according to the color coding of straight through cable. You insert the wires to RG45. Make sure that the wires are aligned together. We have done inserted the RG45 to the UTP cable. It's time to test in a LAN tester. Over UTP cable, one end has the same color coding of straight through, but the other end has different color coding. Colors of crossover pattern are the following. So, this is the pattern of the color. Now that we have done inserted the RG45 to the UTP cable, it's time to test in a LAN tester. That's the end of my video. But